After escalating tariffs, the US imposed a 145% tariff on Chinese goods, while China retaliated with an 84% tariff on US imports. President Trump is now reassessing trade strategies with 75 nations and determining next steps with China following April 2's announcement. In this video, let's have a look at the timeline that explores key events since then. This includes a 10% baseline tariff on all imports, that is from 5th April, and higher country-specific rates, that is from 9th April. China 34%, EU 20%, Japan 24%, South Korea 25%, Taiwan 34%, India 26%, USMCA compliant goods from Canada and Mexico remained exempted. Auto tariffs went into effect and Canada retaliated with a 25% tariff on US vehicles. China announced a 34% tariff on all US imports starting 10th April. It added to the export restrictions on rare earth materials. China blacklisted 27 US companies for trade sanctions. A 10% blanket tariff on global imports took effect in the US. After China imposed 84% tariffs on US goods starting April 10th, Trump raised tariffs on Chinese exports to 125%. However, he paused reciprocal tariffs for 90 days, citing outreach from other countries, not pressure from China. Canada also implemented a 25% auto tariff on non-USMCA imports. Trump excluded China from the pause, framing the move as strategic, with the White House urging nations to negotiate instead of retaliating. On Thursday, President Trump clarified that tariffs on Chinese goods had reached 145% since his tenure began, including a 20% levy earlier this year tied to Chinese fentanyl trafficking role. On the other hand, EU Commission President emphasized giving diplomacy a chance. The White House memo framed these moves as a part of a broader strategic approach. For more such informative videos, do follow the business.